I take care of corporate sales for Bigos Pan India. So, any questions you want to ask?
क्या आपका टाइस कैसे टाइम
Yeah. So, see, we also have tie-ups with end users like Big Basket, Zomato, Zepto, and everything and all. So they are like delivery service partners बोलते हैं. So TICE is one of the DSP, wherein they buy vehicles and they deploy vehicles directly to this Big Basket and Zomato के लिए. So we are trying to find a right partner in Pune में, because Pune is something where partners नहीं है ज़्यादा. So 3-4 partners are there. We want a professional partner who can able to know what is the pain point in the market altogether. So Ankur ji से approach किया मैं. He just started with 20 vehicles I think in the last one year में. So we did a proof of concept. So proof of concept क्या होता है? We'll start the vehicle as a test market. We will see क्या क्या problems आएगा. And then slowly we will develop that into multiple areas पे करके कहाँ पे EV का problems आ रहे हैं, ecosystem में problems आ रहे हैं. We start managing and trying to find solution for each and every problem. Like batteries का swapping का problem आएगा, नहीं तो कुछ सर्विस का प्रॉब्लम आएगा. समटाइम्स अंकुर जी बोला लाइक गाड़ी लेके पैसा नहीं देगा. सो दैट इज समथिंग वेयर वी स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग ऑल द सॉल्यूशंस ऑल टुगेदर. सो दैट इज वेयर वी फाउंड ही इज़ द राइट पार्टनर फॉर अस. एंड इवन इन EV में देर आर सो मेनी गैप्स. So he understood our gaps in a very professional way, in terms of yes, there is a gap and all. He is not like a customer. That's why I keep calling him partner. आप starting से देखा होगा. So all these things, something where we found he is the right partner and he is the best to marry.
ये कंपनी तो 1 ही साल हुआ है ना स्टार्ट.
Yes.
फिर कैसे ट्रस्ट होगा ये, मतलब कोई किसी कंपनी के साथ जुड़ने के लिए
Yeah.
क्या क्या आपका ये होता है?
See, basically entire EV itself, it is a 4 years old baby. ठीक है, 4 years old baby, 1 year is something which is a very big period altogether. So 4 years में हम क्या क्या नहीं देखा. We have seen lot of things. We have seen vehicles burnt. We have seen range issues. We have seen a lot of problems and all. So now the quality came out completely. So if you see all the EV leaderboard completely, there are top 10 people who are there in the EV board in terms of quality altogether. So when we look at the channel partners completely and all, that's the trust which we have altogether.